Our theme, as you've probably gathered, is the Great ClueZ Caper, inspired by none other than the classic board game, Clue.
Breaking news from the banking industry today. Not only has our stock portfolio been tanking here lately, but now this guy, Mr. Kashmir C. Notesworthy, is being investigated by the local authorities regarding a caper mystery being held at Ionic Design Studios this evening. I don't know about you guys, but he looks guilty to me.
You've got to be kidding me? What in the world is going on here?
This is pure, undeniably, unfathomably, irresponsibly. Well, it's just stupid.
Well, I have never. This is simply the most ridiculous debacle that I have ever seen.
Hey! I don't like this. What are you doing with my slide rule? Come on, guys.
Let's get one thing perfectly clear from the get-go. Vincent Venture doesn't just build. I redefine landscapes.